Hello, beautiful people. How are you guys doing? I hope you are all doing well, and I'm doing great also. Today, we are going to make some spaghetti with some chicken wings. How about that? So, if you are new here and you like what you are seeing, don't forget to like my video. Like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to this channel so you can be notified every time I put out some new videos, okay? And thank you for doing so. For my old subscriber, my returning subscriber, thank you. I love you guys. You guys are the best. So quickly now, we are going to clean our chicken. I like to cut all those pointy edges for the wings. So after I cut that, I'll go ahead and clean it, and we will proceed with the seasoning. So here I am using some ginger. You can use any kind of seasoning you want, the any kind of seasoning you like for your chicken wing. I have some paprikas here, and I'm going to be using my chicken seasoning. My chicken seasoning really good. It has the some bouillon and salt already, so no need to add salt. Okay, you won't see me adding salt to the chicken. Okay, so now I will mix it to get the flavor infused into the meat, and then I'm adding some cayenne flakes to get some little bit of heat there. Now we are going to boil our spaghetti. So after the water on fire is boiling, I added some salt and a little bit of oil, and then added some spaghetti. Make sure when you add your spaghetti to the boiling water, you mix it so that the grain will not stuck together. You know how they tend to stick together? Yeah, you avoid that by mixing it. So here my pasta is ready, and I rinse it with some cold water. As you can see, they are well detached from each other. Here I have some mushroom and some onion and garlic there. Here is my seasoned chicken, and I'm using some ragu tomato sauce. Now with a little bit of oil on fire, I added some shallots and some garlic. I'm going to stir fry them until the shallot gets translucent. Before it gets to that point, I will go ahead and add some mushroom. I have some white mushroom, and I'll be adding the mushroom to it here. Make sure I mix it together. So in this process, I add a little bit of salt to the mushroom. Okay, some salt and some black pepper if you want. And you make sure you mix it and let it stir fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. It depends on how soft you want your mushroom to get. Okay. So as your mushroom is cooked, is well fried and soft, I separate them from the pot. And now I am frying with the same pot. Okay, I am frying my chicken wings here. Here they are already fried, ready. So now I add a little bit of the oil from the fried chicken to my pot again, and added some tomato sauce to it. Cover it up and let it simmer. And then I will go ahead and add my chicken to it. So I just show you guys the mushroom that was ready there. It was so good, so good. I love mushroom. So here is the chicken wings with the sauce. After I add the chicken wings to it, let it fry for a bit, and then I'll go ahead and add a little bit of salt to taste. Okay. So guys, don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet, and if you like, you can give me some idea of recipe that you want me to make. Okay, and I'll do my best and do that for you guys. So as you can see, I added the spaghetti to the sauce and the cooked mushroom to it, and then after like 40 seconds I turn off the fire. Just make sure you mix it well together, and voila, our spaghetti is done. Very tasty, yummy. I am inviting you. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys.